In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change label colors in Gmail for clearer organization. If your inbox feels a bit overwhelming, color coding your labels is a simple way to make important messages stand out at a glance. I'll walk you through the exact steps and share a few practical tips so you can keep things clean and consistent. First, log into your Gmail account on a desktop browser. The label color feature is easiest to manage from the web interface. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar where your labels live. These are the tags you use to categorize emails, and they might include things like projects, clients, or categories you've created. Find the specific label you want to update. Move your mouse over that label to reveal extra options. When you hover, you'll see a small icon with 3 vertical dots appear beside the label name. Click those triple dots to open the label's options menu. This is where you can control a few settings for that label, including the color. In the menu, hover over Label Color. A color picker will expand, showing a selection you can use right away. Go ahead and select any color that fits your system. Think about contrast and readability here. A brighter background and a darker text color often make label names easier to see, especially if you spend a lot of time in your inbox. After you choose the color, you'll be asked whether you want the color applied only to the label you selected or to that label and its sublabels as well. Sublabels are nested labels under a main category, useful if you organize by client, department, or topic with more detailed categories underneath. If you want a uniform look, choose to include sublabels. If you prefer more granular control, apply the color to the main label only. Once you've made your choice, click Set Color to confirm. That's it, your label color is now applied. You'll see the change in the left sidebar and on any email chips that carry that label, making it easier to visually scan your inbox and find what matters quickly. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Use color consistently. For example, pick one color family for urgent items and another for routine tasks. Avoid assigning too many distinct colors. A small, meaningful palette is easier to remember. And consider accessibility. Choose combinations that remain legible in both light and dark modes. You're all set. With just a few clicks, you've made your Gmail labels more intuitive and your inbox easier to manage.